In this section here, I don't know, it's called Equations of Lines, but it's pretty much things that we've talked about in the past, except this time we're going to graph these things, and of course I know we did some graphing earlier, but we want to actually break it down, so we're going to break it down. Let's start with, we're going to start with 2x minus y is equal to 5. So we're given this linear equation and we want to graph it. Now there's 2 points, that's if we can find them, that we want to find on this graph, and then we can connect the 2 points. The first point is we're going to do, let's say we're going to find the y-intercept point. And then the second point is going to be the x-intercept point. And once we find both the y-intercept point and the x-intercept point, then we could just connect the dots and draw a line right through it. Okay, so that's really the fastest way to do this. Now the y-intercept point is where the graph crosses the y-axis, and that's when x is 0. And then we want to figure out, well, what is y going to be? Well, that's easy to do, because what we're going to do is take 0, plug it into our equation. So we're going to have 2 times 0 minus y is equal to 5. And then all we need to do here is solve for y in this problem. So, well, 2 times 0 is 0, and 0 minus y is negative y is equal to 5. We have negative y is equal to 5. We just multiplied negative 1 to both sides. And negative 1 times negative is positive, so y is equal to negative 5. So we know that our y-intercept point is going to be x was 0 and y is negative 5. Now we want to find the x-intercept point. So in order to do that, we know, actually let's go ahead and find this point right here. 0, negative 5. So 0, negative 5. We need to extend, let's extend the x-axis, or the y-axis I mean. So we'll just say it's right here. Okay, so this is the point 0, negative 5. Okay, now we want to find where does it cross the x-axis. Where does this line cross the x-axis? Well, what we're going to do then is we're going to plug 0 in for y, because every point on the x-axis, pick a point, that's where y is 0. Alright, so plug 0 in for y, and we solve for x in this problem. So it turns out that x is 5 halves. So that's going to go 2 somewhere, you know, we're just going to pick somewhere about right here. This may not be to scale, but at least you get the idea. So 5 halves, we're going to say 5 halves is right here on the x-axis. So this point right here, okay, this ordered pair, I guess we should write it up here, is going to be 5 halves, 0. So that's all you need to do. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to attempt to draw a straight line that passes through here and goes up in that direction there. Okay, so this is the graph, alright, that corresponds with this equation right here. If we had to graph this equation, this is what we would get right here. Alright, so we found the y-intercept, the x-intercept, right? Look, and we consider those to be points right here. And then we just drew a line right through them. So that's how you would graph that equation. It's that simple. Find the x-intercept, find the y-intercept, connect, draw a line that passes through both of these points right here. All right, so we're going to be doing a couple more of those, a few more.